Okay, so this is how to reset your maintenance required light on your dashboard for your 2005 Acura EL. See that? Maintenance required blinking right there. See that? Right here. So the way you do it, turn it off. So how I'm gonna do it? So I got only one hand because the other one I'm gonna use it in here. What the? Come on. All right. So press this, then turn your key into accessory position. Let be there for 15 seconds until that maintenance required disappear. And oh, it's gone. There you go. And now turn it off and then start your car. And there you go. No more maintenance required blinking. That's how you do it. It's super easy. Okay, there you go.